will show you how to shop on Amazon Shopping. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Amazon Shopping first. And right now you're gonna see the homepage right now. So search for the product that you wanna buy. For example, I will search for a headphone. For example, this one. I will click to see. And right now, what I have to do, for example, I don't like it. I will choose another item. For example, this one. What I have to do, click on add to cart. And go click here. If you have another things, just click delete and keep just your things that you want to add and click on proceed to checkout. Click. And right now what you have to do, you have to click for example here, add a new delivery address and confirm this to add your address. After adding your address, you have to complete the payment method. And that's all, guys. You can shop right now easy and quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.